This video is about trachoma eye infection, leading cause of blindness worldwide. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Trachoma is a disease of the eye caused by a bacterium which is called as Chlamydia trachomatis. It is a public health problem in 42 countries worldwide and is responsible for the blindness or visual impairment of about 1.9 million people. Blindness from trachoma is irreversible. Based on 2022 data, 125 million people live in trachoma endemic areas or at risk of trachoma blindness. In areas where trachoma is endemic, active trachoma is common among preschool aged children with prevalence rate which can be as high as 60 to 90%. Infection becomes less frequent and shorter in duration with increasing age. Environmental factors associated with more intense transmission of Chlamydia trachomatis include inadequate hygiene, crowded households, inadequate access to water, inadequate access to and use of sanitation. Infection spreads through personal contact via hands, clothes, bedding, or hard surfaces, and by flies that have been in contact with discharge from the eyes or nose of an infected person. With repeated episodes of infection over many years, the eyelashes may be drawn in so that they rub on the surface of the eye. This causes pain, light intolerance, and may permanently damage the cornea. So it can be prevented and controlled. Elimination program in endemic countries are being implemented by WHO using the recommended safe strategy. This consists of surgery to treat the blinding stage, trachomatis trichiasis, antibiotics to clear infection, particularly mass drug administration of the antibiotics, azithromycin, which is donated by the manufacturer for the elimination through the International Trachoma Initiative, facial cleanliness, and environmental improvement, particularly improving access to water and sanitation. In 2021, 69,266 people received surgical treatment for advanced stage of disease. 64.6 million people were treated with antibiotics. Global antibiotic coverage in 2021 was 44%. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel and press the bell icon button. Then you will receive all latest videos. Thank you very much.